I have to wait, after here I have to wait at least another 2 or 3 years for the first cherries. So that means like from the cherry to the first.
Hi, I'm Shannon. I go to William Mary. It's in Williamsburg, Virginia. I'm here in San Jose with ICDS and API doing Latin American Development Studies. And today we're here at this coffee plantation. We've learned a lot about organic farming and the difference between conventional farming that uses a lot of pesticides and things like that versus organic farming, which, you know, really works a lot more with the environment and using the land in the way it's supposed to be used. And then here in this area, we've learned about kind of the community service that I guess this organization has been doing.
Those are the two kind of roasts that we have here. Medium roast and dark roast. Okay? Muy bien.